Bitch gonna get out there, ain't it? Woo!
Coming tomorrow?
Yeah.
Load up on that carry tonight.
You got the drone? Oh, that Ford truck? Yeah.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you.
That pipe still smoking.
Shit gas in that pipe. Come on. Oh no, that's all. Don't worry about it, man.
You got the rest of water?
Hey man.
That motherfucker burn his ass off.
Yeah.
Roll it over, get the fuel out of there. Just roll it over, spin over. Spin the addition over, get the fuel out of it.
You're walking down there. The bike left, and I know what the bike is on. So I know that motherfucker. Hey, that motherfucker hustling around me. And I know what this bike runs.
I thought that bitch was for sale.
Yeah, no, it ran good.
Golf cart.
He got out there, it's like,
No, hey man. Hey, you say that.